Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Nelson Chow here from Shots Adventures here, back on your screen, guys. Today, guys, we got a train coming. Looks to be Union Pacific. Hopefully I got that, but the engineer just waved at me. Now we got a bunch of containers going. Oh. Wow, that was a pretty short train. And we're just gonna watch these gates go up. Well, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that train video. If you guys did, then be sure to go down and punch the subscribe button, and also punch the bell to never miss any new videos. Also, while done, go ahead and like the video. If we get 5 likes, it'll show me, guys, that you guys want me to do more train videos. That's gonna do it. Good luck on your adventures. Travel safe. I'll see you guys later.